If you spend more than 5 minutes looking at affiliate marketing content online, you're going to see a lot of screenshots, a lot of rented cars, a lot of people claiming they make $10,000 a month working about 10 minutes a day from their phone, right? I'm going to give you a reality check right now, and that is all those content is complete garbage. You cannot build a sustainable, a predictable income by spamming links on social media and hope something goes viral, right? The keyword here is hope. I know a lot of people who actually simply does nothing, maybe upload one video a week, and then they just go to their Warrior Plus or JVZoo dashboard, their affiliate marketing dashboard, and they just click the refresh button over and over and see whether they're getting hops, whether they're getting clicks, whether they're getting sales. I mean, it doesn't work like that, man. And that is what exactly I want to discuss in this video, right? This is going to be a reality check. This is what you need to watch if you actually want to be successful in affiliate marketing business or any business really, right? So I'm going to break down 4 pillars in this video of what it really takes to actually become successful with affiliate marketing. There will be no hype, there will be no fluff, just the raw architecture that actually survives. So pillar number 1 would be the offer, right? A high quality offer. And pillar number 2 would be, let me just tell you so that I can cover both at once, and that is powerful backend, the backend, right? So let me explain what do I mean by this. Most beginner grabs whatever product they get from ClickBank or Warrior Plus, and they throw it up on a link tree probably, and just upload a couple of reels on Instagram, and that's it, right? And they wonder why no one is buying from you. Right? People are smart. They can smell a junk product from a mile away. If your product doesn't actually solve, a very important keyword here, doesn't actually solve a problem, a painful problem, or if that product has a massive refund rate, for example, and that is the proof of that product not solving the problem. If that is the case, you are going to be dead in the water, right? You need an offer, you need a product with absolute integrity, right? Another keyword here, integrity. So you need to find someone that actually solves a problem and stay true to their promises. All right. So even with a great offer, you need pillar number 2, which I talked about, and that is a funnel, the backend, right? A funnel with a strong backend. Sending traffic directly to an affiliate link is the fastest way to burn your time and money. You need a system. You actually need a strong selling system, and that means putting a low ticket offer which will act as a highly valuable filter, right? It acts as a highly valuable filter from all those people who are not action takers, who are just freebie seekers. Building your email list with these sorts of people is not really going to cut off for you, right? It will only increase the subscription of whatever platform that you're using for email marketing, and you really don't need those leads, okay? And this low ticket could be a $3 offer, right? A $5 offer, a $7 offer, could be even $17 offer. These offers filters out these freebie seekers, right? So once they purchase whatever offer that is, once they are in, you need an automated email sequence. Well, that doesn't look like email, so automated email sequence. So for example, this is email 1, and there is a whole lot of sequence here. And by automated sequence, I don't mean just the email, right? I also mean it could be a private community, like school community. It could be a mini course, right? Everything works on tandem. Everything works for you, creating multiple touch points for your customer. Now he is a valued customer in your ecosystem, right? So once they receive your emails, maybe they are member in your community and they watch your mini course, whatever. The main thing this does is this creates multiple touch points, and also the biggest factor is this creates trust, right? To sell the higher income offers, higher ticket offers, right? For $3 to sell $3, $5, you don't need to really build trust that much, right? If someone sees a sales page with really good promise, with really good outcome, and it's just priced at $3 or $5, right? He's not going to think that much, like, why? Let's just take a chance. That's it. right? So they will go ahead and purchase with their credit card and get into your ecosystem. So if you have this ecosystem in place, you never need to DM anyone. You never need to go on Zoom calls with anyone. I used to send a lot of DMs. I used to talk with a lot of people over on FB Messenger, right? And sometimes Instagram Messenger as well. But yes, this does work, this does makes money, but it's exhausting. It takes a lot of time. All right. So we covered two pillars here, and that is the offer and the backend, the strong backend, which has your ecosystem in it. So now what is number three? If you can take a guess, then take a guess. So pillar number three would be recurring plus high ticket offers. And these all comes inside your pillar number one, right? Pillar number one builds the trust, and that trust sells these offers, that is recurring and high ticket offers, which builds your income, and it just compounds. Let's do a quick math here, right? So if you're only promoting a $10 ebook or a $10 product, whatever, and you want to make about $3,000 a month, right? So you need about 300 customers in order to achieve that, 300 sales. So if you're a beginner, if you're brand new, this is very tough to achieve. 300 sales is extremely tough to achieve. For a beginner, this amount of volume is mathematically impossible. You cannot survive on low ticket alone. Your backend must have high ticket and recurring offers. So here is the next math. So let's say you bring them in with a $5 offer, right? Then that builds trust. They are in your ecosystem, and the whole automatic process, right? The whole automated ecosystem naturally upgrades, right? Naturally upgrades a percentage of those people. Not everyone will upgrade, of course. A percentage of those people to a $500 offer. Or they could go and buy a $60 per month recurring offer, right? Recurring subscription. And that is how a single customer becomes worth of hundreds of dollars. And that is how you actually scale without needing millions of views, right? I say people go after views a lot, right? They just want 1 million views. They want 100K views on their videos. But what's the point if you don't really know how to monetize it properly? And you really don't need these 1 million random views, right? If someone is searching for something and they watch a video, like 10,000 of those views are much better than as 1 million views, on a cat video. You're not going to make the money as nearly as this 10,000 views can get you for that search based video. I hope you're getting my point. Now, the last pillar, right? Now you have the offer, now you have the ecosystem, now you have the backend recurring offer, the high ticket offer. Now what? So the pillar number 4 would be, of course, it's going to be traffic. Now this is the part everyone quits. Let's have a brutally honest conversation here. Everybody wants results that the successful affiliates have, that they see on YouTube videos, that they see on Instagram, but almost nobody is willing to put that exact same effort. So how can you get that same amount of results? People buy a $5 course and set up their funnel in an afternoon and then complain later that they are not rich yet. I mean, okay, I don't want to really swear it. We'll keep things calm. But really, right, they want the traffic to just magically appear, right? It's just magic for them. I mean, you are aware, those people are aware that it's not possible. It's not like that. It doesn't work like that. Traffic takes work. It takes consistency. It means sitting in a quiet room alone, finding the right keywords, doing those boring things, writing the script, right? Recording the screencast video, just like what I'm doing here, when you're tired, when you don't feel like showing up. And let me tell you this thing, right? If you actually want to get the highest possible quality of traffic, then build on YouTube. Why? Well, YouTube is a search engine. So when someone searches, for example, System.io review or tutorial on YouTube, they are a buyer, right? These people who are searching are a buyer looking for a solution here. They are searching for a review, they are searching for a tutorial for a reason. Now, if you compare that to, for example, TikTok, when someone is scrolling on TikTok, they are just looking to be entertained. YouTube traffic here is compounding. A video you put effort into today will still be paying you commissions 2 years from now. But you have to be willing to build this. Right? You upload 5 videos and you think you're going to be a millionaire, you're going to make $100 a day. That's not going to be the case. So a real business requires all these 4 pillars that I talked about, right? If you're missing the recurring backend, then you're going to be burnt out. And if you're not willing to put effort into traffic, your funnel, the funnel that you build, it will just gather dust. So if you actually want to do this, if you actually want to do this properly and actually build this machine, then check the link in the description. Watch that free training and get started.